Some people need those small steps throughout a period of time, you know what I'm saying? That's stacking them daily wins mentally first. It comes mentally. That's how I was. Like before I really locked in this year, I was in and out of working out at home and in the gym for at least 4 years, which is crazy to say, but this year is the year that really did it for me. So I can understand why people need time to slowly work up to that point. You know what I'm saying? Some people can't just jump in. I wasn't one of those people. Although I want to preach it, I wasn't one of those people. So I need to understand that it takes time. It's a gradual thing. Some people can just jump right into it, but others need to take those small steps to get to that point of being confident enough to get into the gym and better your life, or starting at the crib and bettering your life until you got the confidence to get to the gym. You know what I'm saying?